Afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. We have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. The additional of the weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, Sunday. It's today, Sunday. Weekend edition, January the 20th and 21st, 2024. 7 extra puzzles in this additional. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 4 extra puzzles. We have here 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku and a 1-star jigsaw Sudoku. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. The first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. Number 7840. And this one is not actually a 3 stars, because this one has 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, so 3 digits more. And it's indicated with 3 stars. For the 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. It has 28, so I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We will see if this is really a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 6 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this big square for number 3. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row don't need to place level. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. How about 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below don't need to place level. The 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers now. In this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. 2, 7, 6. Alright. 2, 7, 8. Okay, and now 2, 2, 5, 5. Okay. Well. Blow my nose. Yeah, it's cold here. It's cold here. Alright, 8-8. 3-3. Need a 9 here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So no row between the second row. Only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9-9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about the 4 and the 8? Okay. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. 8 here. I'm stuck. Come on. We have a pair. The 8 and a 9 in the first column. The 8 and a 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So now, 1, 6, 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left. In the third column for number 3. 3. Okay. 7. Come on. 8. I need a 2 here, and I need a 7 here. We need a 6 here. Yeah. Come on. Need a 4, and I need a... No 2 here. Thinking. 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Need a 8. Need an 8 there also. Yeah. Come on. I'm stuck. 4. No 4 here. Yeah. Well, yeah. 8. 9. 5. Overlook this 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between the only place left of 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 there. Need 5 here. Okay. So 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in that column, no 8 there. Only place left the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Well, 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The middle column now, only place level 8 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 or a 4, we have a 4 in this big square, so this box should be a 1. One box left in the third row for number 4. 4, 4, 4, need a 4 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. 3, 5, and I need a 2 here. 2, 2. Oh. 3. 3 should be there. 3 should be there. Come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. And I need an 8 here. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. 8. 8. 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 6, 6, 6, 6. Minutes already passed. Need to hurry. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. Need a 2. Need a 7. 2, 7, 8. 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. We have a pair, the 7 and 8 in the third row, the 7 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level, the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left, the 4 should be there. And we have a pair, the 4 and the 5 in this row, the 4 and the 5 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left, the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 5, it should be there. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left, the 5, it should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 5, okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3, the 7, 3, the 7. A lot of pairs in this puzzle. Yeah. Okay, 1 box left in. No. Here, 8 and the 7 are left. Okay. So here should be the 2. I need a 2 here. 2, need a 2 there. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the row below, no 2 there. Only place left the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, okay. Then, yeah, 8, 7, and I need a 3. Yeah, need a 3 here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next on that column. The only 2 place level 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 8 and the 7 are left in this column. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 8 and the 7, we have a 7 now. So this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and the 2, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 60 minutes, wow. I'm not faster than the 14 or 30 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, a lot of pairs in this puzzle, a lot of pairs, and you need the pairs. You need those pairs to eliminate some numbers. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yeah, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle. 4 Stars Sudoku. Yeah, until then, bye-bye for now.